This project started because our CIO opened the door and said, I would like to have the ability to access any technology, past, present, or future, on any application, anytime, anywhere, on any device.
Here at the Ohio Department of Transportation, we have a lot of different use cases and users throughout the agency. Anywhere from a highway tech to a construction engineer to a IT person that sits in the office. We have a broad range of use cases.
We really are responsible for stitching things together, from design, engineering, construction, to inspections and maintenance. We help the business do the work that they need to do.
We developed a strategy that will allow us to ingest different types of hardware and software into our technology stack that allows us to test, implement, and retire it without impacting end user experience.
Our users have certainly benefited from more quickly deployed software through Citrix than using traditional local installations. They don't have to context switch between applications or between web browsers to do so. Single sign-on is a big deal for our users. We have a lot of systems and they don't want to sign into those systems multiple times. The list of applications that we were able to deliver remotely that we could not before we had Citrix is a pretty long one.
The Citrix Workspace Intelligence has provided our end users a consumer-style interface that has given our users more time back on a day-to-day basis.
We had a call from somebody that said, hey, whatever you've changed, please don't ever change it again because this is working better than it ever has. And this application is legacy, and I think it's from 1990 something, and it still functions better in Citrix than it has even on the physical install.
Technology is going to play a significant role in transportation for years to come.
Security is one of our top key factors when we look at a technology. We have to make sure that our environment is a secure, zero trust environment moving forward. With zero trust and multi-factor authentication, we feel that we have secured our network and secured our technologies for the future.
The CIO gave us the ability to create a team, and my team is my family. So we get to design and do this and have fun, and we get to experience this together.